Hello, in this video we're going to find the center of this circle using some geometry constructs. So I want to start off by using a compass, and I want to set this up so that my pen is even with the end of that pokey part. It doesn't have to be exact, but as long as it's pretty close, it'll work because we're not actually measuring with this. So to find the center of this, that we know somewhere is around in there, to find it exactly, just take your compass and put the pointy part on that. And just as long as you got at least more than half the radius, so as long as it's more than halfway through, then you just take and draw an arc on one side, and then draw an arc on the other. And where they cross, this is what you're going to do. You're going to take a ruler and connect those two dots with a line. Like so. Then you're going to do the same thing at another location. It doesn't have to be on the opposite side. I'm going to go over here. One arc, and then over on the other side someplace, draw the other one just as long as they cross. And I want to connect those two spots. With a line. And where those two lines cross, that should be the center of the circle. So we're going to measure those two parts. If it is, we should get a similar radius. So from the crossing point over to this one, it's about 5.7 centimeters. Let's turn this around and measure this one. Again, about 5.7. Looking pretty good. Over here, about 5.7. So this point right here is the center of your circle. And so let's try it again with a slightly smaller setup. So I'm going to use this cylinder. I'm going to draw this circle. The big important part is that you have your compass set up so that it's at least greater than half the radius, or greater than the radius, and that your lines actually do cross each other. So I'm just going to say that's about over half. So I'll pick a spot here, draw my arc, pick a random spot over here, draw my arc. Where those cross, again, connect those two lines. Pick another spot. Now you can use the end of those. And again, I've changed my radius here, so I'm just going to go a little bit different. You don't even have to keep the same radius for the two different constructs. Just want to keep them the same for the one you're drawing. It just makes it nice. I'll put this one over here so that now we should probably get a better. There we go. I don't care if it's perfect, I just need them to cross. Now, going to draw the line connecting those spots. Let me do it this way so I can actually see what I'm doing. Okay. There we go. It's not very bright, but I don't want to draw a second line. I'll get too cluttered. But now we can measure and see what we get. So for this one, we get a radius of about 4.6. Here, we get a radius of about 4.6. So we've got the center of the circle again. So that's how you use a compass and some geometric construct techniques in order to find the center of a circle. And that's really handy to do if you're doing any type of demonstration or building something where you need to know the exact center of the circle. All right, thanks for watching. Tune in again for more videos. Please like, share, and subscribe. Goodbye.